Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. Happy Vlogmas week 2. I have a really busy day today. I'm gonna try and do a very quick workout, film my vision board for 2020, put away some laundry, clean out my car, get ready, do a full face of hair and makeup, and go to Phipps Conservatory. I need to leave by 5:30 and I need to start getting ready at 4 o'clock, and that gives me about 5 hours. So let's get this day started.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well,
Good morning. It is Sunday. I'm here at my favorite place, Starbucks, but it's 3:20, so I'm just gonna get a very hibiscus refresher. I try to get ready super fast, so I put on some really bright lipstick, so it kind of looks like I have on more makeup than I actually do. But I'm headed to the mall to pick up some Christmas gifts for some of my friends and my brother. I need to get all of them something, and I might get my mom like one more little thing. Woke up kind of late today. Was out pretty late last night. I hope you guys like the footage of the flowers at Phipps Conservatory. It's a really beautiful place in Pittsburgh. Definitely one of the top 10 things I would recommend if for some reason you decide to visit my city. It's really cold outside, and tomorrow the forecast calls for some snow and sleet, but it should miss rush hour, so hopefully it actually does. But I'm on my way to the mall and made a pit stop at Starbucks, and I just mobile ordered, so I'm gonna go in and get my drink and probably take you guys around the mall and maybe show you some of the things that I get if those people don't watch my vlogs. Hey guys, it is post-work Monday. I really didn't have time to show my outfit earlier, so I wanted to show it because it's really festive. I'm trying to be super festive this week. So I'm just wearing this black blazer from Calvin Klein, an express plaid tank top, and then my black pond pants from White House Black Market. We always keep our shoes at our desk in Pittsburgh. I don't know if it's a Pittsburgh thing or if you guys do that if you live in a big city too. So I just wear like regular socks with my UGG boots, but it's about 6:15. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a workout in and shower and get ready for tomorrow. It is about 7:50 and I just got done with my workout. I did a 25-minute run, and I figured I would just show you guys how I kind of streamline the process of getting ready for the next day. So one of the biggest things that I do is I do my hair the night before, And now my hair's not going to be perfect the next day by any means, but it's just something that helps me get ready faster in the mornings. If I've already washed my hair at night, I typically do wash my hair every work day because I work out a lot and you know, I'm out and about in the city. So I'm going to show you guys how I scrunch my hair, and this is a nice, easy, low maintenance style that I think can work with any hair type, even if your hair is pretty straight. Now, my hair will brush straight whenever it's wet, but it dries out kind of poofy and wavy, and a few pieces are even curly. So yes, I do understand that my hair is not perfectly straight, and someone's hair that is perfectly straight, it might not work as well for them. But really, when you're doing your hair, it starts in the shower. So if I know I'm gonna scrunch my hair, I don't use conditioner. I use a pretty lightweight shampoo, like the Rusk Purify. It's a green one. You can get it at TJ Maxx. It's like $8. So I use like something like that. It's $8 for a huge bottle, I might add. So I just first make sure my hair is brushed really well. You can part your hair, but when I scrunch my hair, I typically don't part it. I typically wear it pulled back because my hair does have a tendency to get really, really volumized. I'm sorry, I'm not like talking at the camera. So for me to kind of manage some of that frizz that forms overnight, I pull my hair back. But just brush your hair like you normally do, part it how you normally do. But if you think your hair is going to get frizzy or you want more volume on top, brush it back. This is my favorite and most essential mousse. It's the Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls Curl Enhancing Style Foam. You can get this at Target. It's also really affordable. I don't always see it at Target, so I think it sells out a lot. But I just take about this much right here and I just push it up into my hair, and it pretty much just enhances my natural waves, yet it tames them down so they're not frizzy and all over the place. And obviously the more scrunching that you do, the curlier your hair will get. I like to do a good amount when I'm sleeping on it because your hair will flatten out a little bit. And then I typically always do another pump. Now you don't want to get too much in your roots. Oops. Also, don't wait too long to get out of the shower because you want your hair dry. For as long as I can remember, this right side of my hair has always been straighter than my left side, which is super weird. If you really want your hair to hold, spray it with a little hairspray. I like to use a light hold hairspray like this Rusk. And then you want to take just any old blow dryer. I got this one at Ulta Beauty. It was a collaboration, I think, with Kylie Jenner. And it's really sleek. It kind of looks like a knockoff of the T3. And so then you'll just do the same kind of motion. Tip your head upside down if you want more volume. Blow the blow dryer up into your hair. You can press this cold shot when you really want to lock it in. And just repeat this motion until your hair is, I would say, like 85% dry. You don't want it to be fully dry and like dry out too much of the product, if that makes sense, or like dry your hair too flat. So don't dry your hair all the way.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little your presence shall. When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop.
Hair now, I'll go to sleep on this, and then tomorrow morning I will just brush it back and pull it back with some clips, and it'll be pretty much good to go. If you find your hair getting frizzy, you can always add a hair oil like the Way hair oil or a L'Oreal hair oil or whatever hair oil you like to use. But yeah, if your hair is a little bit tamer than mine, I'm sure you could part your hair. Sometimes I part my hair if I'm really feeling a beachy look, but for work I probably won't. Y'all know it is cold when I'm wearing my puffer in my car. I have not vlogged the past 3 days because I felt like my last 2 Vlogmas weeks were a little long and repetitive. So I didn't want to have like some of the same footage. And I planned on vlogging going to happy hour with my friend Becca yesterday. But it snowed, there were snow squalls, and the roads got really bad, so we didn't go, and I had nothing to vlog. And that brings me back to my point that I'm going to hit home, that if you live in Texas or Florida, you're better off not having a white Christmas, because white Christmases are annoying and they ruin your plans, and it's freezing, it's 12 degrees out, and this is not fun because everyone is just miserable and cold. So be happy if you don't experience this. I got my nails done today during lunch at Dallas Beauty, that place I talked about in Vlogmas Week 1, and it was the mystery manicure. So I did not pick this color combination. I would never pick this for Christmas. I really wanted green and red and gold, but for a cheaper price, they're supposed to give you nail art and just whatever color they want. What I've heard in the past is they usually ask you what you want. They asked me if I wanted winter, and I said like holiday, yeah, sure. But I didn't expect them to paint my nails purple and then just also just tack on these little silver sparkles. Like, it's nice, but it's totally not worth $57. Like, I could have gone to a regular nail salon and had them paint my nails and glitter polish, right? So I expected the nail art to be like a candy cane or like a Christmas tree or some sort of stripes, like something really cool. So I was just incredibly let down by this. And I was like so mad about it. I don't know why, like sometimes like the littlest things like set me off, which the salon was nice. It wasn't super professional. The girls were talking about politics, which is whatever, not professional, but none of my business really. So that was kind of annoying. And then I just don't think this was worth the money. And like I said, sometimes little things can like really set me off. And I was like, oh my god, like I'm gonna take these all off. I'm gonna go somewhere else so I can get green and gold. And I'm just like, that would be so ridiculous. I would never like call up and be like, ooh, I hate this, like redo it, because I get it, it was a mystery manicure. It's just, I wanted them to do something like creative with like Christmas colors, like greens and reds and golds, not this purple. So I don't know. I mean, it's nice, but it's just not what I wanted. I guess I'm not really a good candidate for a mystery manicure. I just wanted them, I just kind of thought that what I heard from other people who go here is that, you know, they ask you these questions, so then you kind of can say like, hey, like I don't want purple, but she didn't really ask me that. And I guess holiday and winter are two very different things, so I should have probably specified that. Hey you guys, back at my favorite place, Starbucks. I just had brunch with my friend Maggie. Shout out to her because she watches a lot of my videos, and I forgot to get a candid of us eating brunch. But anyway, I am wearing my little Amazon pearl barrette. We're actually going to be celebrating Christmas with my mom's side of the family this evening. It's 2:19 right now. They're coming over at 5. So I'm gonna have a little Starbucks and go back, kind of help my mom make some sangria for the party, and then just close out this week's Vlogmas. Thank you guys for watching. I know this week is probably a little bit shorter, maybe a little bit more boring, but I'm gonna go ahead and start next week's Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.